What is up, my fellow subscribers? Adrian here from Adrian Mateo Drones, bringing you another video using the Dji Mavic Air 2. And with this one, we're going to be doing the Active Track 3.0. I'm going to track myself through all these woods that I have over here in this property. Let's see how it actually pretty much works. I've been hearing that it works pretty good. We're going to test it out. The Dji Mavic Air 2. Active Track 3.0. And again, this is your boy Adrian from Adrian Mateo Drones. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I will really appreciate that you go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share the video, and make sure you hit that bell notification to keep up to date with the channel. Let's go ahead and get this baby up in the air.
Take off. The home point has been updated.
And today
Please
the wind is
check it on the
blowing at
map.
about, I would say, about 10, 15 miles an hour. Let me go ahead and bring this baby up a little bit. Let me go ahead and bring the gimbal down just a bit to me. And I'm doing the screen recording for this one. And let me go ahead and highlight myself. That is going to be the active track. Okay, I think it's kind of showing us a little bit of something. Oh God, I'm still new to this active track thing, guys, so bear with me for 1 second. Active track. I think it's on me already. Yep, it's on me already. Let me go ahead and hit go. All right, let's go ahead and do the little active track now. And it's following me. Let's go ahead and take it through here, through these trees. I also have the A-Pass on. And the A-Pass is the automatic, the A-Pass, I'm sorry, dang it. The automatic pilot assistance system. Sorry about that, I always get that wrong. I have that on as well. I'm just hoping the drone is smart enough to go ahead and, there you go, it kind of retracted itself. And it did fix itself. And it is still tracking me. One thing that this drone do not have, it doesn't have the side sensors like the Dji Mavic 2 Pro, the Dji Mavic 2 Zoom. It also doesn't have the overhead, the top sensors. So I'm actually gonna keep my eye on this drone because this is my Dji Mavic Air 2 and I did not want nothing to happen to it. And it is still tracking me. Some people have been taking it through some rigorous trees and stuff like that. Me, I'm a little scared to go ahead and take it because I do not want it to crash or break in any kind of way, shape, matter, or form. Let me see if it's going to go ahead and go through these two trees right here. And obviously it did. No problem. All right, that's good. I'm going to go ahead and I'm still going. Let me go ahead and bring it through here. And again, your boy Adrian from Adrian Mateo Drones. If you do like the video, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. Hit that bell notification to keep up to date with the channel. Make sure you like the video. Wow, it's actually tracking me pretty nice. I'm loving the active tracking 3.0. Then go ahead and keep going. Let's see what it's going to do right now. It's gonna correct itself. Yes, it did. It did correct itself. That's good to know. It's actually doing pretty good. I'm liking it. I'm loving it so far. It's working pretty nice. I'm impressed, guys. Working pretty good. Again, your boy Adrian here from Adrian Mateo Drones, bringing you the active tracking 3.0 with the DJI Mavic Air 2. I've been meaning to go ahead and make this video for a little while, but the weather have not been cooperating. It's been raining a lot lately here in the state of Florida. So that's why you haven't seen me make any videos for about a week now. I'm watching the drone because it's going through a couple of trees. And guys, make sure that you go ahead and stay tuned tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. I will be hosting and doing my live stream. Also, guys, go ahead and make sure that you check my channel under my community status tab. I'm actually on a daily basis. I'm trying to go ahead and keep up to date and give every single one of my subscribers a shout out. If you go ahead and take a look at that, and make sure that if you're not subscribed to one another, let's go ahead and subscribe to one another, help each other, grow our channel together. This is our community, so let's help one another. I will really appreciate that. And the Active Track 3.0 is actually working pretty good. I'm impressed. It's working pretty nice. I'm loving it. Let me go through these two right here. Okay, I think it's gonna come to the... It's really gonna go through the trees? Holy crap, it did. That's awesome. I like that. Okay. Guess it's gonna fix itself. Let's see what it's gonna do. There you go. Man, this Active Track 3.0 is working beautiful. It pretty much follows me exactly through the same area that I'm actually turning into, and they're just following the path. That's amazing. Let me go ahead and see if it's gonna go through this low branch right here. Hopefully it doesn't mow the tree. And it actually went towards the top. And there it is, it followed me. It completely missed the branch. That's amazing. Wow, DJI. You actually did a good job when it comes to this Active Track 3.0. It's working amazing, it's working beautiful. Oh shit. It's about to hit the tree. And then it corrects itself. And it's coming to the other side. Oh my God, I thought it was about to hit the tree, but it didn't. It actually went around the tree. Holy crap, I thought I was about to go ahead and lose my drone. It was about to destroy itself on the freaking tree, but it did not. Holy crap, that was freaking amazing. Holy crap, my heart was pounding. Oh wow, this Active Track 3.0 is freaking awesome. I'm loving it, ladies and gentlemen. Loving it, loving it, loving it. All right, let me go ahead and keep going just a little bit more. Let me go ahead and come through here. That scared the hell out of me just now. Okay. Should be able to make it through here. Let me just look at it. Make sure that it is. It's measuring it. And it's coming right through. Beautiful. Amazing. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, let me just run just a little bit. And it will keep up with me. That was scary a little while ago, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I thought it was about to hit the freaking tree. But it recognized the tree. It went around, up, left, down, corrected itself. I came right through, no problem. You guys will see that on the footage. Holy crap, that was awesome. Let me go ahead and bring it back to the home base where we take off from. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys for this video. Holy crap, it's hot outside. Whew! It's about 102 degrees outside. Okay? Adrian here from Adrian Mateo Drones, bringing you the Active Track 3.0 using the Dji Mavic Air 2. And again, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate your support. Anybody that subscribed to my channel, I will literally subscribe to them right back. You know that I'm good for doing that. Thank you so much for the love and support. Make sure you hit that bell notification to stay up to date with the channel. I will really appreciate that. And hit that bell notification to keep up to date. Once again, Adrian here from Adrian Mateo Drones brought you this video with the Dji Mavic Air 2. Love it. If you haven't bought this drone yet, go ahead and get it. And that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Let me go ahead and manually land this baby. Oh my God, I love this drone. Holy crap. This drone is freaking awesome. All right, let me go ahead and stop it right there. Ladies and gentlemen, let me start the active track. That's it. And let me go ahead and land this bad boy.
Landing.
There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. Have a good evening. I will see you guys on my live stream tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Love you guys.